Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rambang Kusma Putra from Management 22A. Cognitive bias in accounting. Why good accountant make bad decisions. In the world of accounting, where precision and objectivity are paramount, cognitive bias can insidiously undermine even the most seasoned professionals. Unconscious mental shortcuts can lead to flawed decision making, resulting in significant financial error and ethical lapses. This presentation explores the pervasive influence of cognitive bias in accounting, examining how they manifest in real-world scenario and their costly consequences will uncover specific example of accounting errors stemming from less thinking and belief into the impact on stakeholder, legal ramification and ethical consideration. Finally, we will outline proactive strategy to mitigate cognitive bias in accounting, empowering professionals to make more informed and objective decisions. Next slide is confirmation bias, seeing what you want to see. The bias. Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out, interest, favor, and record information that confirm on pre-existing belief or hypothesis in accounting. This can manifest as selectively focusing on data that support a desired outcome, while ignoring contradictory evidence. For the example, during merge and acquisition, accountant might overvalue asset to justify deal, ignoring red flag that suggest a lower valuation, and known as inflated asset valuation, which add over to their balance sheet, serve as a stark reminder of the pairs of confirmation bias. Mitigation. To mitigate confirmation bias, accountants should actively seek out dissenting opinion and embrace the role of devil's advocate. This involves challenge assumptions, considering alternative viewpoint, and engaging in rigorous data analysis to ensure objectivity. Anchoring bias, getting stuck on a number. Initial number. Definition of reliance on initial information, the anchor. Irrelevant adjustment. For the example, budgeting based on last year's number regardless. Inaccurate research, impact in hours forecasting and missed opportunity. Anchoring bias describes the common human tendency to rely too heavily on the first price of information offered, the answer, when making decisions in accounting. This can lead to inaccurate forecasting, budgeting error, and missed opportunity. For instance, basing next year budget solely on the last year figures, without considering can changing market condition or internal factor, can practical influence and hinder growth. Kodak is slow transition to digital photography, partly due to their attachment to the traditional film market, illustrates the danger of anchoring bias. Accountant can mitigate the bias by challenging assumptions using multiple reference points and conditioning through research to ensure a comprehensive understanding of the situation. Availability favors. What comes to mind first? Overemphasis. Overemphasizing to important of readily available information. Overreacting. Overreacting to recent event. Risk. 208 financial risk overestimating risk. The availability heuristic refers to the tendency to overestimate the importance of information that is really available in our minds. This can lead accountant to make decisions based on recent or memorable event rather than objective data. For instance, accountant may overestimate the risk of fraud if the way recent even a high-profile fraud case, leading to overly cautious of inference practice. The 208 financial crisis exemplifies the bias as the widespread panic led to an overestimation of risk and a subsequent credit crunch. The ripple effect, consequence of bias decision, inaccurate reporting. Bias account lead to inaccurate financial statement. Stakeholder impact. This impact investors, creditors, and employees. Ethical problem. Create legal and ethical implication. Cognitive bias in accounting have a reason for encourage, creating a ripple effect that impact various stakeholders. Bias accounting practice can lead to inaccurate financial statement, which can miss investor, creditor, and other as users of financial information. This in turn can result in poor investment, decision financial instability, and even corporate failures. Moreover, biased accounting can have legal and ethical qualification potential, leading to lawsuit, regulatory sanction, and reputational damage. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002 was intended to address accounting fraud. Therefore, it is crucial for accountants to be aware of test potential consequences and take steps to mitigate the influence of cognitive bias in their work. Mitigating cognitive bias, a proactive approach. Awareness and training. Establish comprehensive training program to educate accountants about the nature and impact of cognitive bias. Independent review. Implement independent review and audit of accounting practice to identify and correct potential bias. Diverse term. Foster diverse term with varied background and perspective to challenging bias training. Structure process. Adopt structured decision-making process that promote objectively and minimize the influence of bias. Mitigating cognitive bias in accounting requires a proactive and multi approach. Organizations should invest in awareness and training program to educate accountants about the nature and impact of this bias. Independent review and audit can help identify and current potential bias in accounting practice, create diverse teams with varied backgrounds and perspective, and challenge based thinking and promote more objective decision making. Embracing skepticism and fostering a culture of continuous improvement are also essential for minimizing the influence of cognitive bias and promoting sound financial reporting. Thank you.